Shillong Golf Course in the hills of Meghalaya. Well, it's very special in India golf history, and we're here with the Professor to take a look at this scenic gem in the hills of Meghalaya. The Shillong Golf Course is one of the most beautiful and historical golf courses in India. It is located in the lush green hills of Shillong, the capital of Meghalaya, and the course is often called the Gleneagle of the East because of the stunning nature surrounding. It was established in 1886, making it one of the oldest golf courses in India. Because of its history, it has become a famous and favorite destination for golfers and nature lovers of all types. Now, the early history of Shillong Golf Course, it was built by British civil servants who were stationed in the area during the colonial period. At first, it was just a small 9-hole course, but in 1924, it was expanded to a full 18-hole course by Captain Jackson, and they designed a few of his members, and they designed the course to make the rolling hills and the natural valley beauty layout that we're seeing today. Now, the unique layout and challenging parts of the course, it's known for its un- undulating terrain, which means that the ground is not flat. It often has a lot of slopes and curves. This makes the course all fun but challenging, and the fairways are long and wide. The green is fast and tricky, and more importantly, it tests the golfers from all different skill levels. One of the most striking features of the course is its natural hazards. Instead of artificial bunkers, the course has natural elements, trees, stems, rocks. Just they've created challenges for all different types of factors and players. It is one of the few courses in the world that has cattle grazing peacefully through the fairways, making it a pretty unique charm and also a hazard, one would say. The surrounding nature here, well, there's pine trees and a lot of bushes. They bloom colorful flowers during the spring, and the cool climate and fresh mountain air make it an ideal place for outdoor activities like golf. The course is home to many bird species, making it a heaven for bird watchers. Now, the clubhouse often offers basic features for golfers and visitors. It's pretty cozy, and the features of the course, it's relaxing for the game and enjoy scenic views while getting yourself something to eat. While it isn't as modern as some of the other courses in India, here they focus on keeping track of the beauty and the nature and the historical feel of the course. Now, overall, it's hosted mostly local and regional tournaments, attracting golfers from all over the country. These events celebrate golf and the unique settings of a golf course that is here. The course is especially popular during the winter seasons when winter here is perfect for golf. Now, community treasure, it really is a community treasure. It's a vibrant part of the local community. It provides a green, local, open space to enjoy, whether you're playing golf or taking a walk. It's simply soaking in the beauty of nature. The course is free for the public to explore, which means it is a beloved spot for locals and tourists. Now, over the years, there's been a lot of changes to protect and maintain the course's beauty, while urbanization and environmental change have happened. Local community and golf courses have worked together to preserve the course as a symbol of heritage within the town. Now, a blend of sports and nature, today it is known as one of the most picturesque golf courses in Asia. It unique opportunity and experience where players can enjoy the game while being surrounded by these beautiful, breathtaking hills. Whether you're a professional golfer or just beginner, this course is a must visit for anyone traveling through the capital and visiting this area. Playing this course here is like stepping back in time and experience a place you've never been before. At least for me, hopefully we get out here with the Professor. If you like golf history and you're interested in anything India golf, this might be a good channel for you. We're going to be targeting that in the near future. Keep a lookout for more videos to come. This is the Professor.